Hello, learners, and welcome to our first lecture about electrochemistry. You know, we just completed an exam, so therefore you want to make sure that you're doing your best to try something new to aid in your learning journey. All right, we know the drill. New part, new pre-lecture. So you want to complete the pre-lecture one-pager to orient your brain. You also want to review previous information by reviewing a concept and complete a practice problem related to the concept. Of course, the goal of the lecture is to enhance or add to the pre-lecture information so that it all connects. Also, don't forget to stop and complete your flashcard moments so that you can put the material into your own words. All right, let's get to thinking, folks. Welcome to the Hidden Chemistry Village, folks, where we join Naruto and Team 7 on a journey to understand electrochemistry through the Ninja Academy, different village missions, and the Chunin exam. So what is electrochemistry? Well, electro derives from the Greek electron, signifying electricity or flow of electrons, okay? And chemistry is going to be the study of the science focusing on the properties, composition, and behavior of substances, or the study of chemical processes. We put this together and we say that electrochemistry is going to delve into the relationship between chemical processes and electrical currents, exploring phenomena like redox reactions and, of course, the behavior of electrochemical cells. On an everyday basis, we definitely rely on electrochemistry. So if you're using your laptop, if you're taking a smartphone, if you're driving a car that uses a battery, these are all powered by electrochemical cells, okay? Or you can say they're powered by systems utilizing redox reactions for electrical energy production or electrical energy utilization. This journey is going to allow us to dive into two electrochemical cells. The first is a voltaic cell, okay? And these are spontaneous redox reactions. An example would be a household battery, where a spontaneous redox reaction is going to generate electrical energy for various devices, right? You can use a battery for many things. And this is going to be the majority of our electrochemical conversation. And then we have non-spontaneous redox reactions or electrolytic cells, okay? These are going to be using an external electrical source to drive non-spontaneous reactions. Mainly, we see this utilized in processes like electroplating. So electroplating is when you're going to be using electrolytic cells to deposit a thin layer of metal onto an object, allowing you to enhance that object's appearance, provide corrosion resistance, for example, and increase the conductivity of that object as well. And we're going to be connecting our journey with electrochemistry to the TV series Naruto. And here's Naruto right here. Now, I want to express up front that I mean no ill will if I mispronounce or misspeak. I'm definitely going to be trying my best. This is one of my favorite shows. I'm doing my best to include this into my journey of teaching you electrochemistry, so please understand I'm not trying to butcher any of these names, all right? I say Naruto, I watch everything with the English subtitles, so I watch everything in Japanese. That's where my understanding of the name or terms are going to come from, okay, folks? So just keep that in mind. The TV series Naruto follows the journey of Naruto Uzumaki, a determined ninja with dreams of becoming the strongest leader or Hokage in his village. He basically has to navigate through friendships, battles with powerful enemies, and of course strives to achieve his goal by training hard and learning a lot of ninjutsu. Okay? Guided by our previous thermodynamic principles, we are going to train alongside Naruto and Team 7 to craft ourselves into chemical ninjas in Naruto Electrochemistry, folks. Okay, so this is going to be our goal for Chapter 17. Next, we will continue to join Naruto as we fight Nagato Pain and the Akutsuki in a nuclear chemistry battle in Naruto Nuclear Chemistry, which is going to be for Chapter 21. So Naruto and this entire analogy is going to get us through these last two chapters of the semester. But first, let's meet Team 7 and get organized for this electrochemical journey. Meet Team 7, folks. A group of young and inspiring chemical ninjas, or genin, just like ourselves, ready to embark on a thrilling journey through the Ninja Academy. But before we dive into the training, let's get organized. Leading Team 7 is Kakashi Sensei, who's going to be a seasoned ninja known for his expertise in combat and strategy. He is the leader that's going to help guide us, okay? And the team itself comprises of 3 members. We're going to have Sakura, we're going to have Naruto, and then we're also going to have Sasuke. So as Genin, our goal is to train alongside them, progress from Genin to Chunin, and enhance our abilities every step of the way. As a team, we will dive into the fundamentals of electrochemistry, exploring topics such as redox reactions in electrochemical cells, voltaic cells and their construction, operation, and cell notation, the voltage of a cell, meaning its cell potential and all of its calculations, and then finally free energy and electrical work, which allows us to connect electrical work, free energy, and equilibrium, and of course all of its associated calculations. Now, let's take a look at the map of our journey in chapter 17 to further organize ourselves. This map represents our electrochemical ninja journey, folks. So we start in the hidden chemistry village. We are here, right? This is going to be our village, guided by our current leader, Hokage, Lord Chemistry. And he's going to allow us to embark on different missions to diverse lands. As we embark on different missions, we get a chance to train and unravel new jutsu and techniques in electrochemistry. So our first land we get to go to is going to be the hidden voltaic village in the land of lightning. Harnessing lightning-like redox reactions, this village embodies the essence of voltaic cells in its ninja techniques. From here, our mission is going to take us to the hidden concentration cell village, which is going to be in the land of water, and they're going to be thriving on concentration cell principles. This village is going to empower its jutsu through differences in ion concentrations that are, of course, going to be akin to the ebb and flow of tides of water. Okay, folks? And then after the hidden concentration cell village, we're going to be moving to the hidden primary battery village, folks, in the land of sound. So like primary batteries, this village relies on intense, short-lived bursts of sound-based jutsu that, of course, are going to gradually fade. So think of having something that's really close to you and very, very loud, and if it was very far away from you, then the sound would dissipate, right? That's what we're thinking of for the hidden primary battery village. And then from here, we're going to be going to the hidden secondary battery village. Of course, that is going to be in the land of snow. Okay, so let me make sure I can see this. And the land of snow is going to be mirroring secondary batteries. This village is going to strategically use continuous snowfall to recharge and sustain its energy. Okay, folks? After the hidden battery village or the hidden secondary battery village, we're going to the hidden fuel cell village. They're going to be embodying the sustained power of fuel cells to draw upon constant wind currents to fuel perpetual, non-stop ninja techniques in the land of wind here. Okay, folks? And then finally, from the land of wind, we're going to go straight to the hidden corrosion village in the land of iron. And so similar to corrosive processes, this village employs slow and steady techniques, wearing down opponents over time. And all of these missions is leading us to one area, the big kahuna, the tuning exams. And our tuning exams are going to be in the hidden electrolytic village in the land of earth. And the hidden electrolytic village is going to symbolize non-spontaneous electrolytic cells, which is going to demand arduous effort and energy akin to electrolysis, for example. And this is going to serve as the ultimate test for ninja skills through rigorous challenges and training. So every lesson learned contributes to our growth along this chemical ninja path, folks. It's our chemical ninja way. So let's get into the Ninja Academy and get this journey started. See you there.